Hey everyone, my name is Amanda from the growth team here at Playground. If you only have 5 minutes, we'll cover the biggest new feature, a couple quick tips for this time of year, and some resources you might have missed on the site. Let's jump in. If you don't have time to read through the full changelog, here's the one update I'd make sure you know about, the AI website chat. You can now add an AI web chat directly to your website, making it easier for prospective families to get answers without having to submit a form or wait for a response. It helps provide immediate support while also helping your team capture and respond to inquiries more efficiently. People can book tours directly from the web chat too. Alongside that, we've continued expanding our AI knowledge base capabilities, which means the system can pull from more of your school's information and provide more accurate, relevant responses to families and staff. If you check out only one thing this month, make it the web chat and the improvements to the knowledge base. Let's take a quick dive into our Happy Hands preschool website so you could take a look at the web chat. Okay, now I'm in Happy Hands preschool here. I've got my great website. If you're ever looking for a new website, we make those too, so check them out. But I've got my web chat over here and I can open this and ask about anything. I can ask, what are your subsidy options? And the chat will take my center's information and communicate that to me. So I could see if they accept subsidy. Great, I can ask them about aftercare. Yeah. And it's asking questions, it's asking for sourcing, all good. And of course, right here, I can book a tour. It's already embedded here, all good to go. So no human interaction, but I learned some things about your program and I can book a tour right away for your CRM. As we move toward the end of the school year and start thinking about the next one, here are a few trends and recommendations we're hearing from schools. First, start documenting now. If there are questions you're answering repeatedly from families, staff, or prospective families, those are great candidates to add to your FAQ before summer. Second, use this transition period to review communications. Schools are looking at enrollment messaging, admissions processes, and family FAQs, so they're ready before back-to-school season ramps up. Third, think ahead to August. The schools that have the smoothest starts are usually the ones that spend a little time now organizing resources, updating content, and making sure information is easy to find. Overall, we're hearing a lot of schools focusing on efficiency, finding ways to answer questions faster, reduce repetitive work, and improve the experience for families. Before we wrap up, I wanted to highlight a few resources worth checking out on the site. Take a look at our latest salary studies and industry reports if you haven't already. They provide helpful benchmarking and insights into what's happening across independent schools. Also, spend a few minutes browsing the blogs, tools, and resource library. There's been a lot of great content added recently, including practical guides, best practices, and examples from other schools that are seeing success. If you're looking for something useful to read over summer, that's where I'd start. That's everything for this month. The headline is website chat and the continued knowledge base improvements. Plus, now is a great time to prepare for the next school year by organizing your content, updating key resources. As always, check out the latest blogs, tools, and reports on the site, and we'll see you next month. Have a good day.